Hi guys, I'm going to show you today how to use Wakelet's Immersive Reader to translate your newsletters into a family's native language. The first thing to do is go to wakelet.com, and if you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up for one. It is super easy to use and it's free. Here's an example of a newsletter I've already created using Wakelet. As you can see, you can add in your own graphics. Here you go. You've got this small book and you've got this little speaker icon. You're going to click on that. You're going to click Reading Preferences, and now you can choose the language you would like to hear. You're going to scroll down, find the language that you may need, and for our school, we have a large Spanish-speaking population, and notice there are different dialects that are spoken. So we're going to go ahead and pick Latin American Spanish. And I don't just want to hear it spoken, I want to be able to see the words translated on the screen as well. I'm going to click Document, and then I'm going to go back and click.
Puede utilizar el lector inmersivo para traducir texto.
Perfect. You go back to your document. Again, you click here. Now, what if you have a family that speaks a different language than Spanish? Well, that's perfectly okay. We're going to go ahead and pick Korean. Again, we want the whole document translated.
2020년 5월 21일. 이것은 테스트 뉴스를.
Immersive Reader works on any device. It does not require your parents to have a Wakelet account. They don't have to sign into anything. They don't have to download anything. You literally can show them step by step how to do this with a small video that requires no language skills, simply by highlighting where they need to click. This allows us to really communicate with our parents, especially during this time of e-learning. This has been how to use the Immersive Reader function for Wakelet.